Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And today I am sharing with you these Peekaboo wine cups. These wine glasses turned out really good. So this glitter is put on using Mod Podge, and it is sealed with the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge. Now, Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge really does not mean stick it in the dishwasher. I wouldn't do that. However, I do like to use Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge if I'm sealing something that will be getting wet. And I have already washed these once before I put my heat transfer vinyl on them, and that turned out really fine. So I did 3 layers of the Dishwasher Safe Mod Podge on these. Now, I have a lot of light coming through. Just looking at these, they're not really super see-through, but with all the light coming through, they look very see-through. But you could, if you want, you could definitely do 2 layers of the black glitter. I only did 1, but that's completely up to you. I used my Cricut and I did a heat transfer vinyl. I love doing heat transfer vinyl on glass. I feel like it holds up really well. And you could see the Peekaboo. This one is orange inside. The light makes it a little tough to see. I'm sorry, with the seasonal changes, my lighting is just a little bit weird at different times of the day. So I'm sorry for that. I got to figure it out. But these really turned out so cute. And I love them. So mine are, of course, Halloween. And like I said, I did my decal using my Cricut. And I did my little witches hats using my Cricut. And then I did orange and green glitter on the insides of these, and then black on the outside. However, you can use this to make these for any occasion, anything that you want them to be. Mine just happened to be Halloween. So these turned out really cute. And if you'd like to see how I put them together, just stay tuned and I will be attaching the video. And listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And I'll see you later. Bye. So here are my glasses. So these are actually not Dollar Tree glasses. These are Mikasa glasses that I picked up on clearance. It was a pack of 4 and it was $6 at Home Goods. So they were $1.25 a piece. So just a hair more than the Dollar Tree glasses, but definitely a lot better of a glass. So I am just cleaning them with alcohol. Right, so I'm just gonna get something that I can rest my pen on and just twirl my pen around. And now I know where to put my tape. Do the same on this one. And this pen mark will come off, no problem. All right, so that gives me plenty of room for my glitter, but it also gives me plenty of room to not be up near the mouth, and then also to be able to, I'm gonna be putting some words on, so I wanna be able to do my vinyl. So now I'll just line my tape up to where it's right at my mark. I like to use electrical tape. You can use painter's tape or whatever. The reason I use electrical tape though is because it's very flexible. You know, you can pull it and shape it and bend it, you know. And then make sure that you give yourself a tab. So now I have these little witches hats. So I just went to Cricut because I have the Cricut access, so I just went and found a witch's hat that I like, and then I just cut these out of vinyl. I made them the size that I wanted. I made them about half an inch because that's what I wanted. And now I'm just gonna go in and just place some witch's hats. All right, so I just have some Mod Podge, and I am going to just Mod Podge, nice thin layer. Now, all right, so we'll let these dry, and then we'll come back and do another layer of each color. All right, so this time I am using my sponge just because I want to be able to just dab it on. I've noticed sometimes people do these and they don't necessarily show that second layer of the inner color, but you want that second layer so that you have a nice color coverage. All right, so now these are nice and dry, and you can see inside the green looks good, and then we've got the orange. So once they dry, just so you know, I did hit them with a polyurethane spray. I made sure I covered the glass top, and that is really just so that when I put more Mod Podge on them, it helps keep the glitter intact. Because even once they dry, they're gonna, you know, the glitter can move. So I'm just gonna be really gentle about brushing my Mod Podge on. So now I'm just gonna go over with my black, and this is a Recollections black from Michaels. Now my black, I do want to make sure that I get all the way up, you know, at the top. I should have opened my paper up, but I didn't, so. And I will only have to do one layer of the black. I think I'm just going to gently Mod Podge over it. All right, so you can use, I used this glitter iron-on. You could use any iron-on you want on glass. Now, of course, you can use permanent vinyl. I like using iron-on glass. I feel like it just, I don't know, for me, I feel like it just stays really, really well. Let's see, I'm gonna make this. So I chose to use this color. I thought it was cute. And so I just picked a font. You can use any iron-on, like I said, that you want. I'm just gonna put it on and see how I feel about it. And I think that's cute. So I have my little Cricut mini. Now, the one thing you didn't see, I did wash my cup, and I washed it with Dawn so that I would get rid of any fingerprints on it. Now, these are, you know, a little bit better glass, so they're thinner. So I just want to be really careful. The Dollar Tree glass is super thin or super thick. So you can get like as hot as you want and, you know, no worries. But this thinner glass, I just want to make sure that I move a little bit more on it. I don't want to stay in one place too long because I don't want it to get as hot. Now I'm just going to go back over it. Make sure it's down really good. And there we go. So cute. These are adorable. So now I was initially gonna do orange on this one since it's orange inside, but I have this orange glitter vinyl that really is, I'm not sure where I got it, and I wish that I could remember where I got it so that I could tell you guys, because it's awful. And that's why I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to go ahead and put green on both of these. But these are going to be fun. My daughter and I can use them on Halloween. Now, oh, sorry for that. I hope I didn't give you a headache. Now, I only did one layer of the black glitter over top of it, which makes it a little bit see-through. But I like it like that. I like seeing a little bit of the color come through. If you want it to be really dark, you know, of course, just do a second layer. There we are. And those turned out so cute. And of course, you know, you decorate these however you like, but I just want you, you know, to see making them. And then there are the insides of them so you can see. So there's that one. And there's that one. My light is just, I don't know. I guess the seasonal change, like my light is just not great. But yeah, so these turned out really, really cute. All right, listen, I hope that you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends. And I'll see you later. Bye.